Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting exponential math problem which is 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 90. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem? So this is our math solution. First of all, I take our question which is 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 90. Now, at this moment, you can say here 9 to the power x is common. So this divide this is 1 plus this divide this is 1 plus this divide this is 1 is equal to 90. Then, you can see easily here 9 to the power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, is equal to 90. Now I divide both sides by 3, so this is 9 to the power x times 3 is equal to 90. Then I divide both sides by 3, so these three cancel out. This is 9 to the power x is equal to this 90 divide 3, this is 30. So we are find out a nice exponential equation which is 9 to the power x is equal to 30. Now at this moment I use both sides natural log. So log 9 to the power x is equal to log 30. I use both sides natural log. So we know that log a to the power r, which is r log a. If I apply this math formula here, so this exponent move on in front, so it will be x log 9 is equal to log 30. Then I divide both sides by log 9, so this expression it will be x log 9 over log 9 is equal to log 30 over log 9. I divide both sides by log 9. This cancel out. So we are find out here x is equal to log 30 over log 9. Now, if I evaluate this expression, we'll find out here x is equal to log 30. This 30, it will be 3 times 10. 3 times 10, this is 30. Over log 9, this is log 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2, this is 9. Now, you can say here x is equal to log 3 times 10. So it will be log AV, which is log a plus log v. If I apply this math formula here, so this expression it will be log 3 plus log 10 over 2 log 3. This exponent move on in front. Now I separate this fraction, so it will be x log 3 over 2 log 3 plus log 10 over 2 log 3. Now log 3 is cancel out. We are find out here x is equal to 1 over 2, this 2 plus this is log 10. So if I evaluate this expression again, so it will be log 2 times 5. 2 times 5, this is 10. And here 2 log 3. Now I apply this math formula again here. So this expression it will be x is equal to half log 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 3. Now this is x is equal to 1 over 2 plus log 2 over 2 log 3 plus log 5. I separate this fraction, it will be 2 log 3. Now at this moment you can say here x is equal to 1 over 2 plus, and this fraction it will be 1 over 2 log. If I apply this natural log formula, it will be 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2, this is log 5 base 3. Now At this moment you can say here x is equal to, here is least common value is 2, so it will be 1 plus this is log 2 base 3 plus this is log 5 base 3. So this is our final answer in this exponential maths Olympiad question. This is the value of x in this math problem. So let's verify our question, which is 9 to the power x. I take our question again. Let's take out our question, which is 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 90. This is our question. Now you can say here 9 to the power x is common. So if I take 9 to the power x is common, so which is 9 to the power x is common, so it will be 3 is equal to 90. Now at this moment I put the value of x in this exponential expression. So which is 9 to the power, I take this 3 here, okay. Now 9 to the power x, this x which is 2, this 2 and 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 is equal to 90. Now you can say that it will be 3 times 9, it will be 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2, this is 9. And here our exponent, it will be 2, 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 is equal to 90. I solved this interesting exponential maths Olympiad question step by step. It is a nice math problem. Then 2 to cancel, this 2 cancel. We'll find out it will be 3 times 3 to the power, this exponent, it will be 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 is equal to 90. Now at this moment if I separate this case, separate this exponent, so it will be 3 to the power 1, this 1 times this is 3 to the power log 2 base 3 times this is 3 to the power log 5 base 3 is equal to 90. Then at this moment you can say it will be 3 times 3, this 3 times this is 3 cancel out, it will be 2 times this is 5 according to natural log formula, this is 90. Then at this moment you can see here 2 times 5, this is 10, and this is 3 times 3, this is 9 is equal to 90. Then 10 times 9, this is 90 is equal to 90. So left hand side and right hand side both set is equal, so you can see the x is equal to this, our final answer in this exponential math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this math problem, please like this video and share. Goodbye, take care everyone.